What does community mean to you? Well, over the past several days, our neighbors have rallied together and shocked the Manatee Food Bank with the sheer volume of food donations that have been collected. To say the least, our hearts are full is an understatement.
The food bank shared with our team that the shelves are bare by Wednesday of each week. They would appreciate anything that we could do to provide food for local families. So we put out a call to one of our favorite neighborhoods for donations. Debbie and I jumped in our boat into our golf carts and we delivered grocery bags to every family.
Door to door, we sure did. You should have seen how fast we did this. Teamwork at its best.
At its very best, I'm telling you. So we scheduled big collection barrels to be placed for 1 week, and then the magic happened. Thousands of pounds of food. You can't even believe the mountains of bags that came in to be delivered. We have scheduled 4 truck pickups in 3 days, and we're not even finished yet.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
You have set collection records and you have created an avalanche of food donations. Bag after bag after bag. This is what generosity looks like. And this is what it looks like to take care of one another.
Most certainly.
We're so appreciative.
And I know, and anything is possible with good neighbors on our side. And we're so proud to say that we don't just sell real estate, we work to make a difference in our community one family at a time. We want to thank you, our neighbors, and that you make a difference.
Yes, thank you. We're so appreciative of your generosity.
And the outpour of love. Thank you.
Thank you.